tired of stiff joints? Want to prevent arthritis? Discover simple, low-impact exercises that keep you active and pain-free. From swimming to strength training, we've got you covered. Let's get moving together. Hello and welcome to Dr. Fit Facts. Today we are focusing on our new lecture, 4 Essential Steps for Joint Health and Arthritis Prevention. Let's start. Step 1. Swimming and water aerobics. Benefits. Reduces pressure on joints due to buoyancy. Improves flexibility, endurance, and strength. Helps in managing pain and stiffness effectively. How to do. Warm up with light water walking or stretching. Perform simple water-based movements like leg lifts, arm circles, and side steps. Progress to aerobic routines, such as swimming laps or guided water fitness classes. Step 2. Walking. Benefits. Promotes blood flow to the joints, reducing stiffness. Strengthens bones and muscles around the joints. Enhances overall physical and mental health. How to do. Start with 10 to 15 minutes of light-paced walking. Gradually increase the duration and intensity as tolerated. Use proper footwear and walk on flat, even surfaces for safety. Step 3. Strength training. Benefits. Builds muscle strength around joints, reducing stress. Improves joint stability and function. Prevents further joint deterioration. How to do. Use light weights or resistance bands. Perform exercises like bicep curls, leg presses, and seated rows. Focus on slow, controlled movements with proper form. Step 4. Range of motion exercises. Benefits. Maintains normal joint function by improving flexibility. Recommendation. Perform gentle stretches and movements that take joints through their full range of motion. If you find these lectures fruitful, so please like, subscribe, and share Dr. Fit Facts with your loved ones. Thank you.